Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear your Snapchat conversations. Clearing conversations helps declutter your chat list and maintain your privacy by removing unwanted threads. So, let's get started on how to clear your Snapchat conversation. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the clear data option. Once you find it, tap on it. In the clear data menu, you will find the clear conversations option. Tap on it to view your recent chats. Here you will see a list of all your conversations. Find the user whose conversation you want to clear. Once you locate the user, tap on the small cross icon right beside your name. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to clear the conversation. Tap on the clear option to confirm. And this is how you can clear your Snapchat conversations. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.